Hello, everyone, and welcome back to your channel MR.Hacker. I'm your host, and today, we have an exciting topic to explore. We'll be delving into the world of cybersecurity, perfect for beginners who want to protect themselves online. So, whether you're new to the internet or just looking to bolster your digital defenses, this video is for you. Now we will talk about what is cybersecurity. Let's kick things off by understanding what cybersecurity is. Cybersecurity is like a shield that safeguards your digital life from various threats and vulnerabilities. Just like you lock your front door at home, you need to lock your online presence, too. Now NWXT, we will talk about some cyber threats first. We have viruses, malware, and phishing attacks. These are like the bad guys of the internet trying to sneak into your system or trick you. Then, there are hackers, who are after your personal data. They can be individuals or part of larger cybercriminal groups. And the next we will discuss about how we can protecting yourself. So, how can you protect yourself from these threats? Let's discuss a few practical tips. Number 1, keep your software and antivirus up to date. Regular updates often include fixes for vulnerabilities. 2. Use strong and unique passwords for all your online accounts. Consider using a password manager to help keep track of them. 3. Be cautious about what you download or click on. Don't open attachments or click on links from unknown sources. 4. Use two-factor authentication whenever possible. This adds an extra layer of security to your accounts. And the next we talk about safe internet practices, moving to a different setup with a smartphone or tablet. Besides protecting your computer, it's essential to be safe on your mobile devices. Use secure Wi-Fi networks, and avoid public Wi-Fi for sensitive tasks. Install apps only from trusted sources like the official app stores. And the last, staying informed. Finally, to become a cybersecurity pro, it's crucial to stay informed about the latest threats and best practices. Follow cybersecurity blogs and news websites, and consider taking online courses to deepen your knowledge. Conclusion: enthusiastic, and there you have it, a beginner's guide to cybersecurity. Remember, it's all about staying one step ahead of the cybercriminals. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more valuable content on cybersecurity and tech. Waving, thanks for watching, and stay safe online.